Inside a turbocharger housing, there are two fan-like wheels that are connected by a shaft. The shaft is surrounded by several seals to keep lubricating oil from entering the air intake system. These seals can fail, allowing oil to enter the air intake. This oil is then burned along with the fuel-air mixture and creates a large plume of blue smoke from the exhaust. As well as losing oil and causing additional pollution, the catalytic converter can be damaged by the excessive amounts of oil passing through the exhaust.